is a story about a girl named Lucky. Early morning, she wakes up, knock, knock, knock on the door. It's time for makeup, perfect smile. It's you they're all waiting for. There go, isn't she lovely, this Hollywood girl? And they say she's so lucky, she's a star, but she cries in her lonely. Picture perfect memories scatter all around the floor. Reaching for the phone 'cause I can't find it anymore. And I wonder if I ever cross your mind. For me it happens all the time. It's 1:15. I'm all alone and I need you now. Said I wouldn't call, but I lost all control and I need you now. And I don't know how I could do it out. I just need you now. Hey, yeah, that's just for fun. I'm the one to stick around. Everybody's laughing in my mind. Rumors spreading about this other guy. Do you do what she did when you did with me? Does she love you the way I can? Did you forget all the plans that you made with me? 'Cause baby, I didn't. That should be me holding your hand. That should be me making you laugh. That should be me. This is so sad. That should be me. That should be me. That should be me feeling your kiss. That should be me buying you gifts. This is so wrong. I can't go on till you believe. That should be me. You said you needed a little time for my mistakes. It's funny how you use that time to have me replaced.